Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make lavender macarons. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, and dried culinary lavender. For the best results, make sure your egg whites are aged, which helps create those perfect macaron feet. Also, prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Now, let's focus on the crucial macaronage step. Begin by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar together to eliminate any lumps. Gently fold your stiff meringue into the dry ingredients. The goal is to achieve a batter that flows like slow-moving lava, allowing it to ribbon off your spatula. This consistency is key for smooth, even shells. Once your batter is ready, it's time to pipe. Use a piping bag with a round tip to create uniform circles on your prepared baking sheets. After piping, firmly tap the trays on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Then, let your macarons rest at room temperature until a slight skin forms, which takes about 30 to 60 minutes. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful shells. Preheat your oven to a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for approximately 15 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before carefully peeling them off. Then, fill your lavender macaron shells with a delightful lavender buttercream or a creamy white chocolate ganache for a truly exquisite treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.